If you have received a Discord Nitro code and want to redeem it, don't worry. Discord makes it easy to activate Nitro using gift codes from friends, giveaways, promotions, subscriptions, or digital gift purchases. Once redeemed successfully, the Nitro benefits are added to your Discord account, allowing you to enjoy premium features such as custom emojis, larger file uploads, profile customization options, and more, depending on the Nitro plan. The good news is that entering a Discord Nitro code only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to enter a Discord Nitro code in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Discord and sign in to the account where you want to activate Nitro. Make sure you are logged into the correct account before redeeming the code, because Nitro codes are generally applied to the account that redeems them. Once Discord is open, look for the gear-shaped user settings icon near the bottom left corner of the screen and click it. This will open your account settings page. Inside user settings, scroll down until you find the section called Gift Inventory or Subscriptions, depending on your version of Discord. Look for an option related to redeeming gifts or promotional codes. Click the option to redeem a code. Discord will display a text field where you can enter your Nitro gift code. Now copy the Nitro code exactly as you received it. If the code was sent through email, a message, or digital store purchase, copy the entire code carefully without adding extra spaces before or after it. Paste the code into the redemption box and review it to make sure every character is correct. Even a small mistake can prevent the code from being accepted. After confirming the code, click Redeem. Discord will verify the code and check whether it is valid and eligible for redemption. If the code is valid, Discord will display information about the Nitro plan associated with the code. Review the details shown on the screen and confirm the redemption if prompted. Once the process is complete, the Nitro benefits will be activated on your account. You can verify this by opening your profile or subscription settings and checking that Nitro is now listed as active. If the code does not work, double-check that it was entered correctly. Many redemption errors are caused by typing mistakes, expired codes, already redeemed codes, or codes intended for a different promotion. You should also make sure you are redeeming the code through an official Discord redemption page and not through third-party websites. This helps protect your account and ensures the code is processed correctly. Another useful tip is checking the expiration date of promotional Nitro codes. Some giveaway and promotional Nitro codes are only valid for a limited time and cannot be redeemed after they expire. If Discord reports that the code has already been redeemed, it means the code has been used on an account and generally cannot be activated again. After activating Nitro, take some time to explore the available features. Depending on your subscription level, you may gain access to enhanced profile customization, animated avatars, custom emojis, larger uploads, and additional premium benefits. So that's the easiest way to enter a Discord Nitro code in 2026. The main steps are opening user settings, locating the redemption section, entering the Nitro code, confirming the redemption, and verifying that Nitro has been activated successfully. Most users can complete the entire process within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tutorials, account tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.